to What's for Dinner today. This is Weina. This morning, when I came to our camera woman's place, her tofu was stored like this. What the heck? Your tofu is gonna get spoiled tomorrow or tonight. This is not the right way to store tofu. And I'll show you, if you have some leftover tofu, how you can store them properly so that we don't waste food, okay? So first of all, saran wrap out, doesn't do anything. And then get a container that can be sealed. You put the tofu in the container and then you can just take some water and just cover the tofu completely. Put the lid on. It's this simple. But a saran wrap doesn't do it. And if you're not using this tofu right away, you can change the water every 1 to 2 days and store it in the fridge. And the tofu will stay fresh up to like 2 weeks or a month, depending on the weather or the freshness of the tofu. Usually if you're buying freshly made or homemade tofu, it might get spoiled in a week or 2. But if you bought the store-bought one, they probably added some preservatives and they probably squeezed out, especially firm tofu, they have less water content. That might be able to store a little bit longer than 2 weeks. Hope this helps. We'll see you next Sunday. Bye!